Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the quick setup process to activate your new phone on Verizon. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Unbox your new phone. Begin by carefully unboxing your new phone. Ensure that you have all the components, including the phone itself, charger, and any included accessories. Step 2. Insert your SIM card. If you received a new SIM card with your phone, locate the SIM card tray. Use the SIM eject tool provided to open the tray. Insert your SIM card, making sure it's positioned correctly, and reinsert the tray into the phone. Step 3. Power on your phone. Press and hold the power button until the phone boots up. You'll see the manufacturer's logo on the screen as the device starts. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Once powered on, follow the on-screen prompts to select your language. Next, connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list and entering the password if required. Step 5. Sign in or create an account. You may be prompted to log in with your Google or Apple ID, depending on your device. If you don't have an account, you can create one during this step. Step 6. Activate your device. If prompted, select Activate My Device or visit the Verizon activation page on your phone's browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Step 7. Update your phone. After activation, check for any software updates. Go to Settings. System updates or software update to download and install the latest updates for your device. Step 8. Restore your data, if applicable. If you're switching from an old device, you can restore your data during the setup process. Follow the prompts to retrieve your apps, contacts, and settings from your previous phone. Step 9. Customize your settings. Once everything is set up, take a moment to customize your phone settings according to your preferences. Adjust display settings, notifications, and privacy options as needed. Step 10. Explore your new device. Familiarize yourself with your new phone features by exploring apps and settings. Don't forget to check out Verizon's offerings and services that can enhance your experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy your new Verizon phone.